How to sell items on Roblox for Robux. So if you want to sell items for yourself in Roblox, what you're going to basically want to do is you're going to come over to your inventory, and in your inventory, whatever items you have, you can simply go ahead and put them up on the Roblox market. Because if you come over to the official Roblox store over there, you can see that a lot of people have put up their proper items that people are going to sell for Roblox, okay? And you can even come over to the communities or simply go over to trade where people have given their types of items. So it depends on you on how you're going to want to sell and accept those things. But of course, doing so is going to allow you to get whatever you want. And you can even go inside of communities to buy or sell different things. But generally, go over to inventory, and once you go over to inventory, over here, just sell things. And those things are going to start appearing on the marketplace right here, where you're going to find tons and tons of people with tons and tons of things to sell. And of course, if you're lucky and if your product is good enough and if your offer is good enough, whatever you sell is going to appear here for a specific type of Roblox. So yeah, that is pretty much about it for this video. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.